Hello all, hope you all doing great. Welcome to our channel Chitti the Future Maker. In this channel we provide information related jobs. Now we're gonna discuss in detail regarding the job opening of Concentric Company. The job openings are for customer support advisor and technical support advisor. For customer support advisor, you need to have to work with the customers throughout the worldwide, and you have to responsible for the customer related queries and inquiries. You need to provide your support for them. You have to be a high energetic and also versatile to work with different shifts. You need to do a multitasking in this. Also, they were asking 0 to 6 months of experience are eligible for applying for this job. Education qualification, intermediate and graduation. Any graduation preferred candidates are eligible to apply for this job. Minimum of 18 years old you should be, and you need to know the written and oral skills communications, and you need to be understanding the problems which customer has been facing, and you're too versatile to solve those issues. In technical support advisor, it is also similar to that, but it is somewhat technically related. If a user has have problems with any IT related technical things, then you will be having working in this particular one, by you have to troubleshoot the servers, networking, and laptops, desktops, or anything related to that connectivity. In this particular one, they will be doing those jobs. So if you want to do a technical related one, yeah, you can apply for this job. Even they were asking a preferred of 6 months to 1 year of experience, but it's not mandatory. You are eligible to apply for this job, and you need some minimum basics like intermediate and any graduation so that you can apply for this job. They were asking as similar to customer service, you need to have a oral communication skills. If you want to work in different shifts, you are eligible. And probably due to this corona situations, you will be working from home itself. If you want to apply any of these particular two jobs, you can go ahead and fill some details related to this and select any location. We have many locations like Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Pune, Hyderabad, Vizag, Kolkata, and Chandigarh, Noida. You can select anything, and you can select which particular one you want to join. So you can select this and take the exam. You will be Once you click this, you will be getting one form where you need to fill other related details. Once you fill all the details related to this and you submit it, you will be providing one email related to this, which contains a password and a link for which you have to take an exam. The exam can be taken within 1 week provided by the Concentric company. Then they'll be providing a technical and HR related rounds to this, and gone through the hiring process. Once you selected, you'll be joining them immediately. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for your time. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel Chitti the Future Maker. For more interesting updates, please click the bell icon.